Hello and welcome to today's episode. So, beginning, we are almost at the business end of the season, and if we are currently undefeated and on the verge of winning the treble, so if we win both the treble and the cup and the Champions League, and we remain invincible, sorry for the ad, then I'm gonna end the series maybe. At the end of every season, I'll be showing you the progress, or maybe at the end of the career mode save, I'll be showing you. Cause if we win everything, what's the point of doing a second season? We have achieved everything in the first season itself. After that, maybe I'll be doing some rebuilds, that is, selecting players from specific nationalities and trying to win. We do win this against Porto in the first leg, and yeah, I mean, sure, Juventus won 4-0 against Lazio. That's pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Let's do a bit of a training. I mean, so far the player growth this season has been very, very good. It has left me impressed. Of course, the players have won. Bloody hell, Ademi. You had to be injured, didn't you? You had to be. Come on, don't do this, Ademi. But let's see if he can recover from his injury. It might so happen sometimes players do recover. Let's progress a bit. We do have Rainier. So far the top talent has, we do have Karim Adeyemi. Kamavinga comes first. These are the top 50 talents. Of course, I don't know how they are done. Gio Reyna is there. Caio Jorge. Next great thing in Brazil, as they say. Only time will tell what happens. This Jeremy Doku is a PC winger. In FIFA career mode, he is a monster on the wings. Not gonna lie. Yeah, we will add him to the short list in case something happens. Never say never. Justin Bieber's famous song. Adem Holsek guy is pretty decent. So is Gravenberch, one of the top tier talents. Bellingham, same thing. Adil Aushishe, pretty decent player on the midfield. Pedri is there. There Ryan Cherki, Fabio Silva is there. We might bring him as a third, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Nuno Mendes is there. Ryan Cherki is there. Nuno Mendes, he has gradually overcome Tavares. They do have Gabriel Veron, Brian Bobby. Brian Bobby is firing in the Dutch league, Eredivisie currently. Gabriel Veron. Yeah, we'll see. Let's progress. Without dilly-dally, let's progress. Against 4-2 against Barcelona, Odegaard pounds them. We did go with Andre Lunin. I wanted to thrust in him. No, Romano. Furlan is not going. If he goes, he'll go next season, but not this season. Sorry. Furlan is not going. Furlan will stay. He's been bloody good so far this season. The only reason we'll sell Furlan is if we get Alphonso Davies. Away from home, we trashed them 8-0. Vinicius scores 5, assists 2. So far in his 100 matches for Real Madrid, he scored 4 goals, and in one match in the save, scored 5. Oh my fucking god. See Zinedine, see Zizou. I can play him better than you. Just joking. Zidane, a legend. Utmost respect. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 or 8 players in the La Liga team of the month. Our wants a bit more game time, fair enough. I have been playing Valverde and Odegaard and Casemiro. I mean, I have to gradually play Awar instead of Casemiro. I'll be selling Casemiro after. Of course, if we win everything, the whole series becomes irrelevant. There will be no season 2. If we remain undefeated, we win every league. And no. Odegaard is not going to Barcelona. Come on, this is the fucking disgraceful joke. Juventus against, for fuck's sake, this social media. 4-2 against Juventus. Takefusa Kubo, our main team players did have some issues. We took a big risk with the substitute group players. I don't know why this game is going slow today. Let's open a pack. Let's see if we can get something. Yeah. I mean, I don't need to use. I'm not gonna use this in things. Probably I'll use them in case I do RTG with a very low tier team where I'm allowed to sign only one marquee player, irrelevant of the cost. I mean, maybe I'll do those R2G type of saves later on. We'll see. Anything is possible. Christian Pulisic, Jadon Sancho, Rafa Leao. He is one of my favorite players. I mean, everyone thought that maybe he'll emulate Ronaldo, but alas, it is what it is. Four 0. Adeyemi returns with a big bang. Sure. This done. Our third choice right back youngster. He's been knocked out for the rest of the season. But yeah, sure thing. Have it your way. But I must say, I initially decided on selling De La Fuente, but he did prove to be a decent player. I mean, we only have what